Thank you for taking a moment to check out our video on how to install a sliding rear window on a pickup truck. We are going to show you the quick and easy way to do this. The truck we are working on today is a Chevy Colorado, but the slider is installed the exact same way in a Chevy Silverado, Dodge full-size, and Dakota, Toyota truck, and any other glass that is urethaned in. All of the tools and supplies you see us using today are available on our website. Okay, let's get started. We are going to use the wire cutout method to remove the existing back glass. This will also work if you have a sliding rear window already in your truck and are just replacing it. You can see we are using a wire tool to feed the wire through the urethane, but you can use a sharpened screwdriver as well. We take the wire on the tool and simply push it through the urethane bead to start. A small pick can be used on the outside to grab the end of the wire and pull it through. The wire is wrapped around a handle on both the inside and outside. As you can see, we use a simple sawing method to cut the urethane bonding. The wire is an easy method that won't do damage to the vehicle and is a quick and easy way to remove the glass. We are going to switch to an auto glass cutout knife, which is also available for sale on our website to show you an alternate method of cutting this out. The knife also comes with a blade. Okay, so once the glass is out, we need to strip down the bed of urethane. We are going to do this with a regular utility knife and a sharp blade. The urethane needs to be trimmed down to about 1 to 2 millimeters. The new adhesive will bond best to the existing bed of urethane. If you take a free hand and pull on the loose piece and then cut at the same time, it makes it very easy to remove it like it should be. Then we take a clean rag and remove any extra debris from the pinch well to make sure that the bed of urethane is contaminant free. At this time, we are going to open our slider and prep it for the install. The tab you see around the edges are used to hold the glass in place while the urethane cures, which we will show you later. We take a small Scotch-Brite pad and scuff up the bonding surface. This will remove any contamination that is on the part from shipping or manufacturing. We are going to now clean the bonding surface one more time. Before applying the urethane, dry and set the glass first to make sure it will fit properly. Now it's time to put down the urethane. You can apply the adhesive either to the body or the glass, but usually we recommend putting it on the glass. you will get a better result like this. We already cut a V-notch in the tip, as you can see, and will lay a nice even bead all the way around the part without stopping to lessen the chance of leakage later. The V-style bead will compress down into a nice squared off bead once in the vehicle. Have a helper assist you in setting the glass into the vehicle, being careful not to touch the fresh bead of urethane. We choose to tape ours in place while we made minor adjustments. Here you can see us bending the interior tabs down to help lock the glass in place. Our urethane cures in 3 to 4 hours, but be sure to avoid the car wash for at least a day or two. Here you can see the finished product. The job took us about 45 minutes from start to finish. This can easily be accomplished in an afternoon by a first-timer. Again, check out our website for all the tools and supplies. We also have a tech line listed on site if you have any questions about our sliders or our installs. Thanks for watching.